Yep. Go ahead.
Stop scratching now.
What did you get?
Race car.
Oh, some race cars. Cool.
Ooh.
Right. Okay, open the next one. You think it's a book? English, please. You're touching it?
Notebook.
Oh, wow.
Cool.
And what's inside? Open it up. Open up the... Is it just a notebook or is it a coloring book? No, the dinosaur one. Oh, it's a coloring book.
The stories in it too.
Oh, cool. Okay. Good. What do you say? Say thank you to Grandma and Grandpa.
Thank you, Grandma and Grandpa.
Okay, Maya, your turn. If you speak English. This is for Grandma and Grandpa, so... What's that?
What's that?
Barbie. Do you know Barbie? Do you know Barbie? Wow.
Wow.
なんでそんなちびっこいのがあるんだろう。ちびっこいの。
We'll see.
チョコかなんかが入ってるのかな。わかんないよ。あ、ローソ
Oh, candles.
Candles.
Oh, we'll have to put that on your cake when you have your cake.
Yeah.
Here, show it to me. Hold it up so we can see it. Oh, nice. Maya, cool. That's cool. Clothes? You thought it was clothes? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Really? We can open it? Oh, okay. The card we go. Oh, it's a button, another button in case the button falls off. What is it? What you said? I wanted that? That's what you wanted? Yeah?
You can change the clothes.
Yeah, you can change the clothes on it. It says Happy Birthday Barbie. It's a happy birthday party. So it's a birthday dress.
と開けれないまま。じゃあちょっと待ってよ。あ、ティンカーベル。ティンカーベルの何？わかんない。あ、ゲームじゃん。ほら、ここになんかほらサイコロかなんか。ゲーム。
What did you get?
Books.
ゲームだよ。
ボードゲーム。
Bookshelf game. So it goes on the bookshelf, but it's a game. Wow, what do you say? Your grandma and grandpa? Did you like it? Do you like them? Oh, okay. You have one more? It says, should I read it for you? It says, for you, granddaughter, on your birthday. You're their granddaughter. A special birthday thought and a loving wish for a wonderful year, granddaughter, just for you. Happy birthday. Love you, Maya, Grandpa and Grandma.
Thank you.